Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Edge Search. And in today's video, I will show you how to find free commercial use image in Edge browser. Let me show you how. Like for instance, when you are looking for, let's say for instance, you are looking for elephant image. So go ahead and come to the search right here. Type in elephant, okay, elephant, and elephant images. It's search. Then here we go. We have different elephant images right here. But however, some of the images right here are not 100% free. How can you filter and get the free images from this result right here? First thing first, go ahead and navigate to images right here. And then it's going to redirect and open in a new tab. Just like what you see right here. Bunch a lot of images of different types of elephant right here. Now, how do you filter based on the free images right here? So what you want to do right here is to come to filter right here. Once you click on filter, come to license right here. Then you have all Creative Commons, public domain, free to share and use, free to share and use commercially, free to modify, share and use, free to modify, share and use commercially. So depends on the kind of things you want to use the image for. If the image is something you want to use and share it, you can go ahead and click on free to share and use. Then once you click on it, it's going to give you the only available images in that category. So if you hover your mouse on any of the image right here, so if I click on this one right here, you find out that there is no restricted license for this particular image right here. Okay, so you can see the detail about the image right here. So you scroll down here and see different other kind of images as the case may be. You can use this icon here to navigate, and then whatever you use this image for, it is all for free. It is not bound by any copyright or anything. So you can go on and use this method to search for any type of image for free in Edge browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.